The teachers here are very interested in the ArtCore habits of mind. And my work has been in describing habits of mind. I've been working on it for about 30 years, and so I have identified many habits of mind. The ArtCore habits of mind is a subset of them. So these are the ones that are particularly related to studio habits of mind.
We get 3 days to spend together, get to know each other, especially the 2 teachers that I'll be working with this year. It's irreplaceable time, because once you get started with a year, you're kind of treading water. You make it through, you do the best you can for your kids, but this time it's calm, we get to brainstorm, we get to feel all this freedom. Really important to have summer institutes.
Art Costa's here leading our professional development, and he's been leading us through a model of instruction that focuses more on the dispositions or the habits of mind, talking about the differences between using the habits of mind as a focus or as maybe like a supportive role in education.
I was thinking about the way I engage and persist, and thinking about personal examples makes it easier for me to explain it to other people eventually and teach it when I'm teaching it instead of being really abstract.
You know, I really value seeing little tidbits of what the other weavers are doing in their schools. There's no need for us to reinvent the wheel with projects. There's all these exciting things happening that I think we'll get to take into our school.
The excitement, the energy, the positive focus. I've been in education an awful long time. It's exciting near the end of my career to see people focusing on thinking skills and getting kids to really think, not just memorize facts. And so it's exciting.
I think that the idea of slowing down and talking about things is super important for me to hear, because I've fallen into that habit of trying to rush and fit things in, and just slowing down and reflecting and taking time with what we do and what we create it feels really good, and I'm very excited about it.
I see the ArtCore and the art here as a lever of reaching out to a different group of people, and everybody has different ways of learning too, and so this is just another way that people can learn, and so teachers look for different ways to offer their instruction.
I really enjoy the idea of stretching my mind and allowing me to try to be artistic instead of just shutting myself down. I notice that a lot of my students really gravitate towards the art, and they find it a nice way to be able to express themselves. I really like having the support of the weaver in our school. Jess did a wonderful job helping us out, and actually when she was helping me with my unit, it really did take some pressure off.
My role right now is definitely to make the 6th grade teachers feel supported, so that as they begin to roll out some of the integration techniques we've been working on in the past year and a half, that they feel like they have resources and support for doing that. And also playing and just making art with them. We just had a great time working on our student silhouettes, and I think that just brings us all together as a creative team.